If you want to choose one, then I would suggest... Hi and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be very short and I will show you my scissors, what I have for the work as a jewelry designer. I have big scissors, gold-plated scissors. They are very sharp, very big. I use it when I need to cut some material like velvet or silk or something like that, because they're very sharp, very big and very comfortable. My second favorite scissors are Madeira Scissors. I really like them. They are gold-plated and they're very sharp as well. I use them when I need to cut the edge of brooches or earrings, and when I need to cut the small tiny thread next to the finish of my earrings. Use for paper, for small pieces of paper, or when I need to my brooch or to my earrings, just for small pieces of paper. Number four, I have two pairs. I have two pairs and maybe I will get more because I really like them. Maybe I will need to order them in other sizes because these are 5 inches. I ordered them from AliExpress. Previous two pairs I bought on Amazon. I will find links and I will share it with you in the description below. So here are scissors from AliExpress and I really like them. They are very good even for brush edges and for materials, for everything. So that's why I have two pairs and I think I will order more. So yeah, these are 4 pairs of scissors, what I usually use in my creations, but I started with one, and if you want to choose one, then I would suggest in between these two pairs, Madeira and some scissors from AliExpress, because they are both good and sharp, so you can order one of them and you will be happy with your order. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Of course, like this video, comment below, and maybe you have ideas what kind of product you would like me to review and share with you my opinion. So of course, comment below, write any idea of the product you have, because I always here to help you. Thank you very much. Bye.